Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest on social media hacks and tips. Today, we're tackling a question that's been popping up a lot. Is it possible to change your username on Snapchat in 2025? If you're someone who's grown tired of your old handle or just want a fresh start, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, as of 2025, Snapchat still treats usernames as unique identifiers, much like they have in the past. That means, unfortunately, you can't directly change your username once it's set. Snapchat designed it this way to prevent impersonation and keep things secure. But don't worry, there are some clever workarounds that might help you achieve a similar result. One popular option is to use Snapchat's display name feature. This is the name that appears under your Bitmoji or profile picture, and you can change it anytime through your settings. Just go to your profile, tap the gear icon for settings, and look for the Name section. Update it to whatever you like, it's that simple. However, keep in mind that your actual username, the one people use to add you, stays the same. If you're really set on a new username, you might need to create a new Snapchat account altogether. Start fresh by downloading the app, signing up with a new email or phone number, and picking your desired username. But before you do that, think about the downsides, like losing your streaks, memories, and friends list. It's a trade-off, so weigh it carefully. Another tip: if your username is tied to your identity in a big way, consider reaching out to Snapchat support. Sometimes, for specific reasons like safety concerns, they might assist, though this isn't guaranteed. Always follow their guidelines to avoid any issues. In summary, while changing your Snapchat username directly isn't possible in 2025, tools like display names and new accounts can give you the flexibility you need. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.